guys, it's Kira here. So today we are going to make as many funny voices as possible. You in 1 minute. Oh, that's alright. Okay, I did this one in a video. I laughed at the end of the video because of my face. And the boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Okay, that was a bit funny. Do you think those faces are funny? I beg you to give me water. Huh? Huh?